Hi everybody, I wanted to take a moment to show you Newsela, which is a great website that I think will be a good spot for you to find sources and articles and evidence for your One World essay. The website to Newsela is Newsela, Newsela.com. And when you arrive, you will need to sign in. You have an account through your Carlos Rosario Google account. So sign in, and then you can click on Google. Make sure that you are logged in to Google with your Carlos Rosario School account and not your personal Google account. Once you arrive at Newsela, you can use the search function to enter keywords that are connected to your essay topic. For example, I know that we have a few people who are writing about technology addiction. We can enter that as our keywords and search. And you will find a number of different articles that are in some way connected to that topic. And so at this point, you can take your time and read the titles of the articles and see if there's anything that sounds like a particularly good connection to your topic and claim. I see one article here, Negative Positive Effects of Excessive Social Media Use on Teens Studied. If we open this article, Newsela will give you the option to read this article specifically at your Lexile level. So the article that is presented here, we can see the Lexile level is 1060. If that Lexile level is too high or too low for your current Lexile level, you can adjust the setting. If you have a Lexile level around 850 or 900, you can choose this. If your Lexile level is around 1000, you can select this. If you are at 1200 or around 1200, there's an option for that. And then this is the highest version of the article, the maximum Lexile level. So based on whatever your current Lexile level is now, that you can find in Spark, choose what is right for you and take a look at the article. If we do another example, I can go back up to the search and enter different keywords. In my case, I'm interested in plant-based eating. So I'll search for plant-based as a keyword. And again, I can see there's a lot of different articles that are somehow connected. I see an article here, Healthy Planet. And again, I can open the article and then from there, adjust the Lexile level. Right now, this article is at the maximum Lexile level. It will be the complexity, the difficulty, the vocabulary will be more challenging. And if need be, I can adjust it to a 930, 810, 680 to make the reading more accessible. So hopefully that will help. Good luck exploring Newsela.